How to turn off Facebook previews on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off Facebook previews on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here you will find followers and public content. Click on it and go down. Here you will find off Facebook previews, and if you want to turn it off, all you need to do is just click off, and now just go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.